Like terms are terms whose variables and their exponents, such as the 2 in x squared, are the same. In other words, terms that are like each other. Note: the coefficients, the numbers you multiply by, such as 4 in 4x, can be different. Example: 7x, x, and minus 2x are all like terms because the variables are all x. Example: 1/3 xy squared minus 2xy squared, 6xy squared, and xy squared over 2 are all like terms because the variables are all xy squared. If they are not like terms, they are called unlike terms. Example: these are all unlike terms because the variables and/or their exponents are different. 2x, 2x squared, 2y, and 2xy because x, x squared, y, and xy are all different. Example: these are also unlike terms. Minus 3xy, minus 3y, and 12y squared because x, y, y, and y squared are all different. You can add like terms together to make one term. Example: 7x plus x. They are both like terms, so you can just add them. 7x plus x equals 8x. In this next example, some of the terms are like terms. Combine like terms: 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus x squared plus 2 minus 7. Then add like terms: 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5. Done. Now you can see that Sage has correctly collected all his like items. He deserves a pat. You can visit us at mathisfun.com.